20th Century Fox Home Entertainment. Available from Paramount.
When it comes to great entertainment for kids young and old, you can count on Paramount Home Video.
With scenes from Charlotte's Web, The Adventures of Corduroy, The Oz Kids, and Peanuts Collection. Animation never looks so good, and prices are looking better. Paramount means family entertainment for Paramount. All skits or peanuts. Available for Paramount.
There's always something to do and see right outside Allegra's window. There are songs to sing, games to play, and new friends to meet. And each day, 3-year-old Allegra can't wait to go out and explore. Now your preschooler can join Allegra anytime with Allegra's window videos.
I'm returning your plan here. Storytime sing-along.
Allegra, Lindy, and Poco tell stories, draw pictures, and sing songs that your preschooler can sing along with too.
In our August Christmas.
Allegra brings a very special Christmas to Mr. Cook. With Allegra's window videos, affordably priced at $9.95 each, preschoolers can join Allegra's world of music and play whenever they want. With Nick Jr. preschool videos from Nickelodeon, kids play to learn.
Only from Paramount. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 20th Century Fox.
Fox Family Features 3 magic words. Your ticket to a whole world of family entertainment. When it says Fox Family Features on the box,
With scenes from
expect inside.
The Page Master.
A cartoon.
Think what it would mean if I could talk to the animal.
Dr. Doodle Original. Family Features. Family Features. Rookie of the Year. Far Behind. The Adventures of Yellow Dog. Edward Scissorhands.
Can I bring the show and tell on Monday?
Baby Stay Out. Those Mammies a Man and their Flying Machines. The Sale-A-Lot. Once Upon a Forest. Batman the Movie. Breaking Away. Shirley Temple Collection. The Man from Snowy River. Ferngully, The Last Rainforest. Scrooge. And My Neighbor Totoro.
Start the show with a name you know.
Zapow.
Fox Family Features.
Now you can watch everyone's favorites
Everyone's favorites.
every time. Only for 20th Century Fox. And now, our feature presentation. Fox Video.